It's 11:45 at night. I arrived to a new spot to sleep tonight. I don't know what I'm saying right now. So yeah, I just arrived like 15 minutes ago, parked the car in like the best way possible for me to have like a beautiful view tomorrow morning when I open the back door. It is really cold right now. It's 3 degrees. Well, it's really cold. It's cold. 3 degrees feels like 0. It's gonna get down to 0, maybe -1 or 2, maybe lower than that. I parked right by a lake. I have no idea what it looks like. I didn't check pictures online. I just knew where I had to meet up with my friends Julie and Ben tomorrow. Looked on Park for Night if I could find a free camping spot around this area. Found this spot. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just know that it's right by a lake because I just saw it. It's pretty icy. I went for a walk and like there's ice. So yeah, pretty sure I'm gonna have a pretty tough night because I don't have heater in the van. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's 7:30. I had a pretty good night of sleep actually. I think I slept like 7 hours, which is very good. I didn't get too cold. It is pretty cold right now, but yeah, pretty happy about the night. Let's see what's outside now. Wow.
We ran so fast up the mountain as the sun fell low. We climbed so high to chase the lights sent from the sunset glow. 'Cause time won't wait for us. It fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last. We stood and looked out as the colors in the sky ran wild. In that moment, I felt like I was seeing through the eyes of a child. 'Cause time won't wait for us. It fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last. Seek to reach the heights of the outline. Seize the golden light when the sun shines. Realize time is a precious gift.
You see, this morning it's 2 degrees. Yeah. I had the van since mid-October, when my friend Edwina left to the Reunion Island, and I've always thought that I couldn't really enjoy it because, you know, it's cold outside and I'm not going to be able to sleep. It's going to be really hot. But then you end up just doing it, getting a little bit more equipment and enjoying mornings like this with a beautiful sun and an incredible view on the mountains and the frozen lake. Life is good.
So make these moments last. Seek to reach the heights of the Alpine. Seize the golden light when the sun
if I told you, but we have like a 15k hike today with Julie, Ben and Thibault. Gotta get something to eat because I don't have anything left. It's time to go! There's still some snow. The mountains are like full of snow. It's pretty cool. Beautiful! Love it! Got some dried apricot, veggie salad, and an orange. Uh-oh. Please start. Please start. There you go. There you go. That's what we want. Probably saw on the drone shot this morning, there is this bridge that goes across one side of the lake to the other, and I wanna cross the lake on that. Alright, let's play some music. She came back with rainbows. Oh, we can put a little bit of a reggae mix. Here you go. Hey. I love this life. Let's go.
Gone in an instant. The days go by with the blink of an eye, so don't take anything for granted. And I really wanna know where we go when we die, but I don't wanna keep asking.
Oh, it's so beautiful! I just arrived at this little village called Egg, where we're gonna start the hike from. I'm waiting for Julie, Ben and Thibault. I don't know if I'm gonna film a lot. I'm gonna get a few shots, but I just wanna enjoy being with my friends as much as possible. So hope you enjoy the next footage.
Ah oui. T'es sûr? Pour suivre la tête? Par contre, faites attention.
Oh, mais c'est...
Lake?
impressionnant.
Lake? Lake?
Ouais, c'est... Lake. Lake.
Là, en fait, je dis que
C'est en vélo, mais pas en... Un vélo, ça se fait.
on peut pas passer.